Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a hand drawing digital signature using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a fillable PDF from and I'll insert your hand drawing digital signature. Now select this form option already selected and here you will find this signature icon. Click here. Now draw your signature box. Now press right button and select properties option and go appearance option. You can set your handwriting signature color. I'll make it red color and fill color you can choose. I'll make it white. Now select close. Now select hand option. Now click on this box. Now select this sign as option and select new ID. A new digital ID I am to create now. Click here and select next. Select first one and next. Type your name, your organization unit, organization name. Now select your type your mail and select next. Now create your own password. You have to remember it. Now select this create option, new logo, and this drawing option. Now draw a name. Okay. Forget version I remove it. Now select OK and retype here your password. And reason you can select here. I am approving this document. Now select sign. Save as it. And see this. This is a signed digital signature. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.